music or a voiceover to your video on Openshot video editor. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're adding that extra touch to your Openshot videos with background music or a voiceover. Let's get those soundtracks pumping. First things first, you'll need your background music file. It can be an MP3 or a .wav like this one right here. This is a voiceover, not a music, but it will look like the same thing. Make sure you have the rights to use the music you choose if you're choosing a background music. With Openshot open, grab your music file and drag it from your computer's file explorer window directly onto the timeline. You'll see it appear as one of the audio tracks below your video clips. Then, just like video clips, you can drag your music clip wherever you want and put it wherever you want on this timeline. Go down here and put it on track 3 so it doesn't mix up with other ones. And like this, you added your voiceover or your music background video onto your video. You can edit it however you want, with a cut or by trimming it or cropping it open. Background music shouldn't overpower your video content, so luckily Openshot lets you adjust the volume of individual clips. Click on the music clip right here, and like this. You can edit this however you'd like. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.